Welcome to our deep dive into the revolutionary world of AI for CI/CD. This video is for software developers, DevOps engineers, and IT leaders who want to significantly boost their deployment efficiency, enhance code quality, and minimize manual errors.
In today's fast-paced software development landscape, continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, are critical for rapid and reliable software delivery. But what if we could make CI/CD even smarter? That's where artificial intelligence comes in. CI/CD is a set of practices that enable rapid and reliable delivery of software. It involves automating various stages of the software development lifecycle, from code integration to deployment. AI can supercharge CI/CD by bringing intelligent automation, predictive capabilities, and enhanced decision-making to every stage of the pipeline. It transforms traditional CI/CD into a proactive, self-optimizing system. Let's start with how AI enhances continuous integration, focusing on improving code quality and detecting issues earlier in the development cycle. AI-powered tools can perform automated code analysis and linting, identifying potential bugs, security vulnerabilities, and stylistic inconsistencies, all before human review, ensuring cleaner code from the start. Beyond simple checks, AI can predict defects based on historical data and code patterns. This allows developers to focus on high-risk areas and fix problems before they even manifest as bugs. AI can generate intelligent test cases, optimizing test coverage, and identifying edge cases that might be missed by manual or traditional automated testing methods. This saves time and improves test efficacy. Now let's explore how AI transforms continuous delivery and deployment, making releases more reliable, efficient, and resilient. AI can orchestrate releases with greater intelligence, learning from past deployments to optimize timing, resource allocation, and minimize deployment risks. It ensures smoother transitions to production. Post-deployment, AI continuously monitors production environments for anomalies. It can detect unusual behavior, performance degradation, or security breaches in real time, often before they impact users. In the event of a critical issue, AI can trigger automated rollback strategies, reverting to a stable previous version of the software with minimal human intervention, ensuring business continuity. So what are the overarching benefits of integrating AI into your CI/CD pipeline? The advantages are numerous and impactful. AI-powered CI/CD significantly increases efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and reduces the time from code commit to deployment, leading to faster market delivery. By proactively identifying issues and optimizing testing, AI helps deliver higher quality code and more reliable software, reducing bugs and improving user experience. AI minimizes the need for manual oversight, reducing human error and freeing up your valuable development and operations teams to focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks. In summary, AI for CI/CD is not just a trend, it's a transformative shift that is redefining how software is built and delivered. The future of software deployment is intelligent, autonomous, and incredibly efficient. Embracing AI in your CI/CD pipeline is essential for staying competitive in the digital age.
Ready to revolutionize your software deployment? Start exploring AI solutions for your CI/CD pipeline today and unlock a new era of efficiency and reliability. The future of DevOps is now. Subscribe DEZ Learn for more Autobites like this.